We are approaching the cabin from the front. There's seating out front here and a table for morning coffee. There's a fire pit here for evening if people wish to use that. And this is the front of the house with a large screened-in porch, master bedroom, and large deck. Swing set is over here to the right, and you can see a large wooded area for privacy. Now going up the steps to the treehouse-like deck, which has a large barbecue, large cooking area with storage for coolers, seating area for morning coffee, breakfast, a nice reading bench in the shade overlooking the lake. Now there's two screened-in doors going into the living room kitchen area. Kitchen has a farmhouse sink, dishwasher, cabinets, all fully supplied kitchen. Living room done in Adirondack rustic style. Television, another sliding glass door out onto the deck. Now half bath downstairs, all done in Adirondack style. Fun outdoor shower here for hot shower for the adventurous. Most people's favorite shower. This is the master bedroom. King size bed. Picture windows with view out to the lake. All done in antique furniture with French doors leading out onto. This is the view from the master bedroom, looking to the lake. French doors out onto a large screen-in porch. Porch has a hardened leather sofa and a custom-made Adirondack table for reading or morning coffee, and a Cushman table set for 6 for evening dinners.
Back into living room, going upstairs.
Upstairs, this is likely a children's room with 2 twin beds, an armoire, and this is a enclosed air-conditioned bedroom king-size bed with television. This is a full-size bathroom with shower tub, all done in Adirondack style. This is a backyard, wooded, all very private.
And this path goes up to the parking area by the road with space for 2 cars. Now I'm standing in front of the cabin and walking down to the lake. First, we'll go on the sun deck. There's a dining room table here, and chairs for watching the sunset and looking at the stars. Here's your view. We'll go down to the dock. The dock is all yours. It's not shared. We keep our boat here. We live next door. But we only come over to take our boat out. Otherwise, the dock is all yours. At the far end of the dock, it's deep. It's 7, 8, 9 feet deep with a steep drop off. Here's where you can dock your boat of 20 feet or less on these mooring whips. I can help you with those if you've never used them before. And on the close end of the dock, it's only about 18 inches deep with a rocky bottom and a rocky shore. And there's the cabin up there.